Hey guys, welcome back. So today we got a Santa Fe. I think this model is 2008 to 2012. So this customer complaining about knocking noise while driving on a rough surface. So I checked the suspension, they're all tight and everything. The only thing I noticed is, as you can see here, there's a mark or there's a space on this bushing. That's our stabilizer bar. So we'll be replacing this bushing and this clamp here, and this is just a I think 12 mm if I'm not mistaken. So we'll be doing that. One way you can check too, because right now there's no play at all if you lift this vehicle. So one way you can check is you lower the vehicle down, and I think the Santa Fe has enough room if you're gonna crawl under, and then ask someone to shake the car, and you just put your hand here and you will feel the play. So we're gonna do this side, right side. I called both left and right on the rear, and the part number will be so we got here, this is our clamp, right, and this is our bushing. So I think they're both the same part numbers on both sides. So let's remove this nut and let's see if I have to remove our stabilizer link. I hope not. So I got my assistant doing the camera holding. So
Hello?
let's just remove this. So I just spray already earlier a penetrating fluid there, so that it can help to loosen out the rust and everything. Wow. If you don't have a budget also replacing the parts, you can also just remove it and put some what do you call a foam there, just to put some tension on the bushing. But if you have some budget there, or if you have some extra money, yeah, you just replace it. Okay. Let's hammer it out. Let's use the pry bar. Okay, that's out. Now for our bushing, there's a cut. There's a cut on this side so that you can just slip it through to the bar. So usually the cut is here. We're gonna remove that. Yeah. I hope we can just slip it through. Okay. Okay. Here's our old one, right? New one. You can see the difference. Oh, like the old one has a bigger hole diameter compared to our new one, so that's causing that clunking noise, right? If you can find any loose components, yeah, I'll suggest you go to the stabilizer bar and check if there's some play there, or if you can see difference, right? So now I'm just gonna put some slider grease here so that it's easier to go in. Just a little bit, right? Now we're gonna put it in. I know sometimes this is gonna be harder, so the stabilizer or the grease helps that so that it's easier to go in, right? I know with the newer Santa Fe's, the front one is so hard to put it in because I don't know why. Okay, so we just put it in there. I didn't expect that this is gonna be a quick procedure, right? Because I was thinking about, because I did want to on the Santa Fe, a newer one, that complaint is a squeaking noise. Most likely you will hear that on over bumps, a squeak. So, and I, replaced that bushing there, and that's challenging one. Okay, and then I'll just tighten that. Okay, now we're gonna go to the other side and let's see. And now we're on the left side. Same thing. I'll just loosen this guy here. Okay, that's good. That's not bad. And you can see here, this is the worst here. As you can see, there's some gap in there from the bar and the bushing, right? Oi, reverse, man. And then and then just hammer. And use your pry bar. Okay, it's out. And then this guy here. Come on, man. Oh. Okay, so that's out. Alright, then same thing with our new one. Just put some grease in it, a little bit, because it's easier for it to go in. Come on. Okay. Yeah. Okay. And then just position your bushing. And we'll put in our new clamp. Ah. Then we're gonna start putting our nuts. then we're just gonna tighten it. Okay, that's it. So we're just gonna put our tires and torque them, and we're gonna go for a test drive. Okay. Alright guys, so I just realized the new one is still in the plastic. And I just think that I installed the right side an old one. So I'm gonna take it out quick and put the new one. Okay, so brand new clamp, brand new bushing, and I'll just put this tire and we're gonna go for a test drive. Alright guys, so we're just gonna go around quick drive just to confirm that we fix our noise at the back, right? So far, what do you call that? Here downtown, there's a lot of uneven roads, so we'll just go quick drive on the block. So far I don't hear any knocking noise. The one that you're hearing right now, like a rattle, that's coming from our roof. I think something hit on the roof. I don't know what hit, but I saw a big dent at the roof, so that's what's rattling right now. I already put a note there that there's there's other noises on this car. Okay, so far I don't hear any knocking noise coming from the back or from the rear of the vehicle, so I think that's good. And I know that this car is fixed with the knocking noise complaint. So that's it guys. I hope you enjoyed this quick video on replacing the rear stabilizer bar bushing and the clamp. And if you have any questions or suggestions, let me know, and see you next time. Thank you for watching.